One of the unique design features I wanted to point out on this wing, it's a rectangular wing, and it was improved with the later models. It uses flying wires and what we call landing wires. This is what gives the tension in the wing to keep it perfectly rigged. And you can see this is pretty taut. The pilot generally flew from the back seat. The forward cockpit, accessed by this small door, had a seat wide enough for two small people or one very large person. So moving back towards the tail, we have the elevator and rudder control cables that were external to the fuselage. You've got a simple handhold. In order to move the airplane on the ground, you just Armstrong this thing, pick it up and move it around.